I gotta tell you, this 66 Ford F100 is nice. Everyone working here will refer to this as that really nice truck. It just feels good, it functions good, it's restored from the ground up, has upgrades, has a pile of receipts. You can go to volocars.com to get all the specs, the pricing, the photos, the videos of a few hundred collector cars, including this one. Go to volocars.com. We have shipping, financing, plenty of ways to contact us. We have a whole team of people that are willing and able to help you purchase the car of your dreams. Let's take this truck for a spin. I just love everything about it. It's the custom cab, short box, beautiful color. That emerald green is just, it's a rich, glossy, wet looking color. It looks like a piece of green candy. And I tell you, the glass, the chrome, the moldings, the trim, the weather strips, all is pristine condition. Got a hard tonneau cover on there, which functions really well. You know, bumper, nice dual exhaust. This looks like it's a stainless handle there. Tail lights are new. The gasket around the rear window's new. It's got the chrome door handle guards that are new. The doors just open and close beautifully. It's so nice. New weather strips, door jambs are painted gorgeous. The interior is done really, really well. Under the hood, it's got a 302 motor, all rebuilt. It's got a C4 automatic transmission. It's got power steering, power disc brakes, electronic ignition, new alternator. All the components look new. The steering box has been upgraded. Nice truck. The wiring, the heater valve, I mean, everything just looks fresh and installed really well. 1,000 miles on it since it's been done. That's it. It's got a Holley carb with electric choke. Tinted glass. The latches are chromed. Beautiful interior. This tonneau cover is pretty cool. Inside this bed has been Rhino lined. It's color matched Rhino liner, so it's all sprayed, real durable. It's got nice stainless steel strips, full-size spare, and they even custom made some toolboxes up there in front of the wheel wells. That's a nice, usable space. Right here, one folder, two folder full of receipts, bunch of literature, all paperwork that goes with it, a few miscellaneous parts, including the touch-up paints. I'm going to close that so it doesn't hit the wall. Check out this interior. This is nifty. He custom made this little flap here. So you have storage. Everything's done nice. Dash is beautiful. Beautiful steering wheel. New padded dash. The instrument bezel is spotless. All the chrome sparkles. Seats upholstered real nice. Has a custom stereo that didn't interfere with cutting up the truck at all. Headliner's done to match the seats. New mirror. The visors are new. Has new seat belts. Underneath the truck's rock solid and clean. So it's beautiful. I'm going to start it up. The seat's nice and firm. You know, nice cushion. You get the key. So this tonneau does lock, so you can put your stuff in there and not worry about it. Tonneau can be removed. It didn't hurt the truck. Even the sound is just right. And the way the dash pad fits, it's not loose, it's not coming up at the corners. It's got floor mats that match the carpet with sewn edges. Just a nice, tastefully done truck. This is one of those that you put it in your garage and you go in the house, you're going to look back at the truck one more time before you go in. It's just a nice truck. You'll be proud that you own it. Motor is smooth. Underneath has a lot of new components. You can check that out on our website, the pictures. You know, like shocks, Flowmaster mufflers. Got those doors shut nice. License plate lights work. So if you like quality, you want something a little different, this truck will do it. Visit volocars.com to get all the specs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll be the first to see all these awesome vehicles we're putting on video. Thanks for watching.